Hi, I'm Lauren Grocco. I'm a licensed California attorney and I practice employment law. We're going to talk today about when a toxic work environment becomes illegal. We hear a lot about toxic work environments, and a lot of people are surprised to hear that it's not illegal to be a jerk at work, and that personality conflicts and passive aggressive behavior, even by managers, do not amount to illegal activity. Now, we aren't talking about physical behavior, such as where a coworker is physically touching you or blocking your path of movement or cornering you at work. This is about non-touch behavior that you would be considered mean, such as the feeling that you are being set up to fail, overly competitive behavior, cliquey or isolating contact, and office gossip. Now, pause button. Let's talk about the obvious. This isn't legal advice, nor should you ever seek legal advice from the internet. And our office, like most legal offices, doesn't give free legal advice. Nothing in this video creates an attorney-client relationship. This video is intended to provide information to the public. Because every situation is different, if you have a legal question or a dispute with your employer, you should contact an attorney. The law is constantly changing, and nothing in this video should be construed as a guarantee, warranty, or prediction on how any individual's legal situation may play out in court or arbitration. If you have been wrongfully terminated and would like to schedule a consultation with Grocco Law, please call 949-506-1494. All right, so back to when does a toxic work environment become illegal? A toxic work environment may be illegal if it involves discrimination, harassment, or retaliation related to traits or activities that are protected by federal and state laws, such as reporting illegal conduct in the workplace. Now, what traits or activities are protected? Traits you cannot change about yourself, we call these immutable characteristics, such as your race, your gender identity, your age, your disability, or your sexual orientation. Coffee break. Also, traits that are fundamental to your being, such as your national origin or your religion. What activities are protected? Whistleblowing activities, meaning reporting violations of the law, health and safety concerns in the workplace, including pay and work violations. If you experience these types of situations, documentation in writing is key. If it is not documented, it's difficult to prove if it exists. If you experience this type of behavior, report it to HR or supervisor before making it a legal issue. If your allegations aren't seen through or investigated by your work superiors, that is when you need to take legal action. But remember that taking a video or audio recording of someone without their permission in the state of California in most situations is not permissible. So if you want to record someone, ask their permission and get their consent in the recording first, which is why documenting in writing, such as taking notes or writing your complaints and emails, is critical because that's permissible. All right, now back to documentation. So say something is wrong in the workplace. Say someone used a racial slur against you. You should start logging that. Log the who, what, where, when, and how. Who is there, who said the statement, anybody else in the room, the physical location, and who and how you reported it. Make that log very clear, very short. Don't put any, we call them ad hominem, so don't use your own swear words. If swear words were used against you, record them, but don't use your own. You should never use swear words in a professional workplace anyways. If you experience retaliation for doing this, such as demotion, a decrease in pay, or termination as a result of discrimination or harassment, you may want to consult with a competent attorney, such as the attorneys at Grocco Law. Always remember that you have the right to a safe and healthy work environment, and don't be ashamed of getting help to report a toxic workplace if things rise to the level of illegal. All right, thank you.